This is a government-requested message to all citizens of the United States. The succeeding states have started to form a new country. They are calling themselves the Divided States of America. As you can see, this is the new map of the United States of America. However, this is not the first time that this has happened. Southern states attempted to break away from the United States and form their own country called the Confederate States of America. We defeated the rebels and we will do it again.
Fought and bled in